Today's video, I will give celery to my budgie because celery can offer several potential benefits to birds like budgies. Yes, celery contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients can contribute to overall health and well-being in birds. Yes, celery has a high water content which can help keep birds hydrated, especially during warmer weather or in a dry environment. Yes, celery. The fiber content in celery can support healthy digestion in birds, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Yes, celery. Chewing on celery can provide birds with mental stimulation and help keep their beaks trimmed, which is important for their overall oral health. Yes, celery, offering a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables, including celery, can help prevent dietary boredom and ensure that the birds receive a diverse range of nutrients. Remember to offer celery in moderation as part of a balanced diet, alongside other bird-safe fruits, vegetables, seeds, and pellets recommended for your bird species. Thank you so much!